Right now I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of our LT-2000 and its basic functions. Here we have our power button. Just powered it on. You can see that blue light up right over here. It's going to indicate your charging level. It'll tell you, based on this chart right here, how much battery you have. This next button here is our filter button. You're only going to hit that button if you're hearing something else while you're listening to your amplifier. Rarely, but sometimes it happens. You'll get other radio signals that the amplifier picks up. If that ever happens, you're going to hit that filter button right here, and that should get rid of that for you. This next button here is your mute button. This is going to be key when you're listening with your hydrophones and when you're walking around from place to place in a pool or on a job site. You're going to want to keep this muted until you're ready to listen. If you don't have it muted, it's going to be banging around, it's going to be really loud in your ears, and you don't want that. Over here we have our dial to control our volume. We recommend having it at about halfway when you're listening. Sometimes you need to make that louder, turn it up, there's nothing wrong with that. Or sometimes you want to make it quieter so that way you can pinpoint one area if it's too loud and you hear it everywhere. On the other side here we have our headphone port right here where you can plug in your headphones. That's going to be the best way to listen to the LT-2000. Next we have our charging indicators. When you plug in your charger, it's going to either be red or green. If it's red, that means it's charging. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and you're ready to go. Over here is the charging port where you're going to plug in that charger. It's really important when you're using this, you make sure you're using a 5-volt battery, not the 12-volt. This 12-volt comes with some of our other tools that we use, and you can't use it on the LT-2000. It might look like it, but if you use it, you'll fry the panel here and you'll need to get a new one. So always make sure you're using this one, that it comes with the 5-volt. Next over here, this is going to be the input where you're going to put in our hydrophones. Very easy. It'll clip right in. Clipped in. You're ready to listen. Take it out. You're going to hit this button right here. Comes right out. And that's our LT-2000.